everyone, I'm Ishita and welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with another interesting video, so let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a small village by the river. Everyone lived happily and offered regular prayers at the village temple. Once during the monsoon season, it rained heavily. The river started overflowing and the flood entered the village. Everyone started to evacuate their homes and set out to go to the safe place. One man ran to the temple. He quickly went to the priest's room and told him, "The flood water has entered into our homes and it is rising quickly, and the water has also started to enter the temple. We must leave the village as in no time it will sink under the water. Everyone has set out to go to the safer place and you must come along." But the priest told the man, "I am not an unbeliever like you all, and I have faith in God. I trust God that He will come to save me. I will not leave the temple. You may leave." So the man left. Soon the water level started to rise and reached the waist height. After a few minutes, a man with the boat came to rescue the priest. He told the priest, "I was told by the villagers that you are still inside the temple, so I have come to rescue you. Please climb on the boat." But the priest again refused to leave, giving him the same reason. So the boatman left. The water kept rising and reached to the ceiling. So the priest climbed to the top of the temple. He kept praying to the God to save him. Soon the helicopter came. They dropped the rope ladder for the priest and asked him to climb on and get inside the helicopter so that they can take him to the safer place. But the priest once again refused to leave by giving him the same reason. So the helicopter also left. At last, when the temple nearly submerged under the water, the priest kept his head up and started complaining. "Oh Lord, I worshipped you for all my life and kept my faith in you. Why didn't you come to save me?" The God appeared in front of him and with a smile he said, "Oh man, I came to save you 3 times. I came running to you to ask you to leave for the safest place with other villagers. I came with a boat and I came with a helicopter. What is my fault if you didn't recognize me?" The priest realized his mistake and asked for forgiveness. He got his chance to go to the safe place one more time, which he accepted. In life, you believe in God, but do you recognize God? Opportunities come unknowingly all the time, but sometimes we fail to grab it. Recognize that sign of life and grab your chance. If you don't, there will always be another opportunity. But why waste time? If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Till then, take care and bye bye.